Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas day 4 and I'm filming this intro actually the next morning because when I went to edit this Vlogmas episode, my entire intro was corrupt. So I was like, all right then. And then at the end of this video, it's going to end abruptly because my friend came over, dropped me off some food, and I fell asleep. And I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning with my lights still on in my room. And I was like, wow, I never edited this video, needed to do that. And I never filmed an outro, and my intro was corrupted. So Carter's in kindergarten and they do sight words because they're all like learning how to read and stuff like that. So he has this book, it's called his Popcorn Words book. And every time he knows a word and like can read it without having to sound it out or anything like that, he gets it buttered, like popcorn, highlighted. So we have been working on the word they for like a month. He knows it, I know he knows it. He can spell it if I ask him to spell it, but he refuses to do it when his teacher asked him, so it's still not buttered. And he just opened it and was like, they, and I'm like,
I wasn't doing my popcorn words today, so that's why.
Tomorrow.
What? Tomorrow? Are we doing it?
I think so. I think she usually does it on Fridays, right?
No.
Oh, I don't know. All right, what is this word?
She does it on Thursday.
Today was Thursday. What's this word?
They. I know it.
What's this?
I don't know.
I just said it.
This?
Yes. So, I want to show you guys this new detergent that I've been using. It's amazing. I love Paige Danielle. I love her cute little family. I've been following her channel for a long time, and pretty much when she recommends something, I buy it. So she was on her stories a lot talking about this detergent. This is the Arm & Hammer plus OxyClean with the like the fresh scent. Y'all, it smells so good. I can smell it when it's in the washer. And she said that on her stories. And I was like, I don't know how that's possible, but you can smell this when your clothes are washing. It smells really, really good. And I have sensitive skin. My son has sensitive skin too, and his skin is like worse than mine. This works fine for me. I don't use it for him. So if you're somebody who has eczema or like really sensitive skin, I don't recommend it. I've even washed like my sheets with it and stuff like that, so it's fine. But for him, I'm not, because his skin is so sensitive. So for sensitive skin, I was using All. This has been like my tried and true, but I only got a little thing of it because now I really only use it for his clothes. But All used to be my go-to for my laundry, but now I think that I've gotten older and my eczema is more concentrated in like my hands and certain spots of my body. I can get away with using like scents now, mildly. I'm still trying to like tread lightly because I'm not trying to like screw my skin up, but this detergent, y'all, it's amazing. And this huge container I got for $8.99. I'm about to do some laundry now. Carter's in the shower. We just finished homework. Jada's out of the shower. She's gonna call her down a little bit and then they're gonna play on the Switch and I'm gonna relax. So yeah, I hope this wasn't too boring. Maybe I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I don't know, I'm so sorry. I feel like the last few days have been the same thing and I don't want you guys to get like burnt out. But real quick, I wanted to add that I purchased this Downy Romantic Infusions. This is like a fabric softener. And this is the, which scent is this? White Tea and Peony. I thought it was gonna smell really floral, but it actually kind of smells like warm and like an ambery scent. So I love that. I think that this combo together smells so, so good. I was using the Method, here I actually have an empty bottle. I was using these fragrance boosters, but they're so expensive. These are like $13 for one of them. This was the ginger mango scent and it smells amazing, but I just couldn't justify the price anymore. This was $4.99, this was $8.99. So for both of these, I would pay for one of these. You know what I'm saying? So awfully vocal. Anyways, so I plan on doing a video of like holiday Netflix recommendations. I think I'm gonna film that this weekend, so be on the lookout. I have been watching so many Netflix original Christmas movies. I really love all the like predictable, super cheesy, heartwarming, cute movies. So if you're into that kind of thing and you want to see what some of my favorites are, that will be a Vlogmas episode. So I'm giving you kind of like a sneak peek or like a spoiler. I'm watching one right now, just started it. My friend is bringing me some food because she's amazing and she was being nosy because something is happening across the street. I have a lot to do tomorrow after work, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to vlog tomorrow. I might vlog a little bit in the morning and let you guys see like our morning routine, maybe. So there may or may not be a Vlogmas day episode on Saturday morning. But we'll see. I'll see if I can like figure something out. But yeah, Fridays. Oh, she's here. I just want to let y'all know I appreciate all the love that you guys have been showing on these Vlogmas videos. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you on day 5. Bye.